Tommy Lee Sparta has been sentenced to 3 years in prison after pleading guilty to illegal possession of firearm and ammunition.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta has been sentenced to 3 years imprisonment after he pleaded guilty during his in-camera hearing to illegal possession of firearm and ammunition in the High Court Division of the Gun Court on Wednesday the 24th of March. The entertainer was sentenced to 3 years for illegal possession of firearm and 2 years for illegal possession of ammunition. However, the sentences are to run concurrently, so he will serve only 3 years. According to the police, the entertainer was arrested on the 14th of December 2020 after a Toyota Mark X in which he was traveling was intercepted by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Specialized Operations. The men in the vehicle were searched and a 9mm Glock pistol with an extended magazine containing 18 rounds of ammunition was found in the dancehall artist's waistband. Tommy Lee, whose given name is Leroy Russell, was represented by Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson and Donahue Martin.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!